Oh yeah. And that right, Miss Fish Life. She said she in the background just listening. Swoop like me over here listening. Miss Aisha over here listening. Everybody on my YouTube channel just listening. But you know I'm gonna put this on the freestyle as well. Let's go. So thank you for the people coming listen to the J. Now I'm over here, I'm doing things, I'm doing my way. I'm over here to wanna go and just to show you love. Yes, I'm over here to yes, I wanna spread the love. Now you say you listen up, but why you in the back? Yes, I'm over here to yes, I wanna tilt my hat. Tilt my mind, everybody say I'm going good. Now the other people say you've been misunderstood. Understanding, do you see what I want to see? Other people looking up and now you look at me. So you talking about you grinding from the bottom though. Now you in the middle over here to say you flowing though. Say it. Saying I want to say your name when I'm over here today. To when I see you out today. Saying, hey. Saying I want to say your name. Now I'm over here today to want to shout you out today. Saying, hey. Saying I want to say your name. Now I'm over here today trying to shout you out today. Saying, hey. Said I want to say your name. Why I see you over here to try to shout you out today. So down and then I'll shout you out to when I'm showing love. Still I'm over here to now I giving virtual hug. Telling people I'm over here, I'm showing love from the south. Still I'm over here to other people want to run their mouth. Run your mouth but now you say we loving it. People's over here doing a shoulder roll on it. Some are doing 2 steps, some are doing 3. Still I'm over here to now you here to hang with me. Now you hanging with me, now I want to see you too. People telling me the end, I want to keep it true. Now I'm over here to show my love to my fans. Fans is over here to do you know that I'm the man saying what? I want to go and say your name. Still I'm over here to send the name, but not the same. Same as over here to send it, yeah, we get a game. Gaming over here to end, you want to spread the game. See it, now I'm over here to say your name though. Said I want to say your name though. Said I want to put it up on the floor. Said I want to go and say your name though. What? Said I want to say your name though. Talking about I want to say your name, yo. Want to put your name up on my show. Said I really want to say your name though. I don't even want to take another second time. Still I'm over here and you said I'm feeling fine. Finding over there and you said you find a wine.